Welcome to Energy News Daily. Free minutes, free big headlines shaping markets and the transition. First up, Singapore's energy transition playbook is getting more systems level by the month. On the supply side, Singapore's Energy Market Authority has awarded a new hydrogen-ready combined cycle gas turbine to Pacific Light Power, targeting at least 600 megawatts in operations in 2029. On regional clean power, EMA granted conditional approval to Sun Cable to import 1.75 gigawatts of low-carbon electricity from Australia via a roughly 4,300 kilometer subsea cable, with a projected commercial operation date after 2035. And on grid modernization, EMA is pushing future grid capability through initiatives like a virtual power plant regulatory sandbox and an Energy Grid 3.0 grant call, aimed at operating a grid with more renewables, more distributed energy resources, and less inertia. This is the regional trend in one line. Firm capacity becomes hydrogen-ready, renewables become tradable across borders, and the grid becomes software-defined. Next, BP is streamlining again. BP has agreed to sell a 65% stake in its Castrol lubricants business to Stonepeak for about $6 billion, valuing Castrol at roughly $10.1 billion including debt, with BP retaining 35% in a joint venture. The stated logic: reduce debt and sharpen focus after a strategic reset, while investors watch what this means for cash flow quality, given Castrol's steady earnings profile. In the U.S., energy policy remains a courtroom sport. A federal judge struck down the Trump administration's directive to halt federal approvals for new wind projects, calling the agency's actions unlawful and arbitrary. At nearly the same time, the administration also ordered a 90-day suspension of 5 offshore wind projects already under construction, citing national security concerns, setting up more legal and political turbulence for developers. Meanwhile, the EIA's latest outlook forecasts U.S. crude oil production averaging 13.5 million barrels per day in 2026, about 100,000 barrels per day lower than 2025, ending 4 straight years of growth. That's your rapid-fire update. Subscribe for daily energy headlines, fast, factual, and market relevant.